Good evening and welcome to our AECEP certification program evaluation summary presentation. I am Andrea Lima and I was the evaluation coordinator in the whole process. I'd like to remember you what we are evaluating in this program, in this evaluation. We are evaluating the AECEP certification program, which is compounded by 4 semesters. The first semester is renewing the mind of the educator, is the first introduction to the student, to the principal approach and the biblical values on education field. And then we have education philosophy, education methodology, education curriculum. The evaluation tool we have used was a Google form, a survey made in Google Forms, and you have 5 scaled questions and 2 open-ended questions. The 5 scaled questions are: how was the platform navigation in your opinion? And each of these questions had 3 options of response that you can see in our infographic in a couple of minutes. Analyzing the course length of time, would you say? Did the course meet your expectations? Evaluate your teacher's interaction. And would you enroll in other courses offered by AECEP? And the 2 ended questions were: please comment on teacher-student interaction and give some suggestions on how to improve this course. Our survey have a sample of 130 students answer from the 4 semesters, for all 4 semesters that is part of our whole certification program. The survey was online and anonymous, and we placed the survey inside of each course. I have split our infographic. You will receive the infographic as a whole, but I split the infographic here in order to present better the dates for you. How do you evaluate AECEP's course? The first question was: how was the platform in your opinion? And 60% have chose the option easy to use. We have 40% with some difficulties, which show us that we have to study better the interaction between student and platform. About the course length and the amount of content present in this length in the semester, 68% feel comfortable, 19% said that it's too much content, and 13 said it could be longer. It's another point we have to study better in the future. When we asked about students' expectations, the grade was very, very good. 92% said that the courses fully met their expectations and the students. When we asked about tutors' interaction, we got the points of 88%. It's a very good evaluation of the tutors. Summarizing the comment of tutors, they have 4 main states. They have good feedback, they are personal, kind and gentle, but the students require more video classes in the course and more lives, not only recorded video, but live sections to interact and to answer questions from the students. If the students would enroll again in a new course offered by AECEP, 88% said yes, and 10% said no. I suggest a new survey and include a reason why not you will not enroll, to allow us work on solutions for those students. When you ask for general suggestions, 4 groups appear as the 4 main statements that you code in this survey: live classes, better organization of the content and the platform, students groups in WhatsApp or Facebook group to discuss between the students the, to discuss between them the content of the course, and more tutors interaction. And here they are referring to uh, live sessions. Conclusions and recommendations for AECEP. First one, include Zoom session in each course. At least one Zoom session every month or every 2 weeks. Interview students, tutor, and schools principals as additional evaluation resource. Some points are general in this research, in this survey, so we have to interview some of them in order to understand better what you can improve in our courses. Record platform tutorials to help students and teachers. We have considerable people that find difficult to interact in the platform, so we have to train them, besides organize better the content, and plan a final content assessment in order to evaluate students' worldview transformation. This survey didn't evaluate how much of the content the students have grasped during this time of preparation. So we suggest that we have a final exam uh, to evaluate how the students grasped the content, how they were transformed when they study in our courses. Thank you for coming. I am open for your questions.